Let's talk about something you probably ignore until it breaks: your car's transmission. The type of automatic transmission in your car changes everything about how it drives, from how it feels at a stoplight to how much you spend on gas. Most people just want an automatic these days. No clutch pedal, no hassle. But automatic isn't just one thing anymore. There's the classic automatic, and now the high-tech dual-clutch transmission, or DCT. Automakers love to hype DCTs as lightning fast and F1 inspired. But what does that mean for your daily drive? Today we're comparing the traditional automatic to the dual clutch and why it matters for everyone, not just car nerds. Whether you're buying a new SUV, a used hatchback, or just want to understand your own car, knowing the difference is key. The choice between these two is more than a spec sheet. It's about comfort versus performance. One is all about smoothness and predictability. The other, raw performance and efficiency, sometimes at the cost of comfort. Neither is better for everyone. It depends on what you value. By the end, you'll know which team you're on, and you'll walk into a dealership with confidence. This is a big deal for millions of drivers. Let's get into it. But before we get into this, welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto Curious. If you have not subscribed to it yet, then please do subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so you may not miss any update of our channel. Let's start with the basics. A DCT, or dual clutch transmission, uses two clutches to pre-select gears. What does that mean for you? Lightning fast, almost seamless shifts. Meanwhile, a traditional automatic, also known as a torque converter automatic, uses fluid coupling to switch gears. It's famous for its buttery smoothness and rock-solid reliability. But how does all this tech translate to the real world? Let's break it down. DCTs are quick. Thanks to their pre-selected gear magic, shifts happen in the blink of an eye. That's why performance cars, think Volkswagen GTI or Hyundai N-Line, love them. But there's a catch. In bumper-to-bumper traffic, DCTs can feel a bit jerky or even hesitant. Not the most fun when you're stuck crawling through city streets. Now, traditional automatics, they're all about smoothness. Whether you're cruising downtown or inching through traffic, gear changes feel almost invisible. These are perfect for relaxed daily driving. On paper, DCTs are more fuel efficient. Direct power delivery and rapid shifts squeeze out a bit more mileage, at least in ideal conditions. But here's the twist. In real-world traffic, especially in busy cities like Mumbai or Los Angeles, that advantage can shrink. Stop-and-go driving makes DCTs work overtime, sometimes wiping out those gains. Traditional automatics have caught up big time. With advancements like CVTs and 8-speed boxes, the mileage gap is smaller than ever. Sure, you won't get those split-second shifts with a traditional automatic, but what you do get is consistency and ease of use. Now let's talk maintenance. DCTs are high-tech and they need precision care. Dry clutch DCTs especially can overheat in slow traffic if they're not cooled properly. And repairs? Let's just say it can get expensive, especially if you're out of warranty. Traditional automatics, on the other hand, have decades of refinement behind them. They're tough, reliable, and far easier on the wallet when it comes to upkeep. If you're planning to keep your car for the long haul, this is a big advantage. So, which one's right for you? If you crave fast shifts and sporty feels, DCTs are tough to beat. But if you want peace of mind, buttery smoothness, and easy maintenance, the good old automatic still holds its ground. Choose what fits your lifestyle and your driving style. Thanks for tuning in, and happy motoring.
If you're a city commuter who prioritizes comfort, the traditional automatic will feel more seamless. But if you love driving, enjoy spirited highway sprints, and want quicker acceleration, DCTs will thrill you. Also, consider your terrain. DCTs tend to struggle in hilly stop-go traffic, while torque converter automatics handle inclines more smoothly.
What's something city drivers often overlook? The right transmission can totally change your drive. Here's how to pick the one that suits your style. If you're a city commuter craving comfort, a traditional automatic transmission is your best friend. It glides through traffic, making every stop-and-go moment feel effortless. No jerky shifts, just a smooth, easy ride. But if you love the thrill of quick acceleration and high-speed sprints, a dual-clutch transmission, or DCT, is where the fun begins. These gearboxes deliver rapid-fire shifts that put you in the fast lane, literally. Perfect for highway action and those who want to feel every surge of power. However, consider your daily terrain. DCTs can be a bit jumpy in hilly, congested areas, while traditional automatics handle inclines like a pro. No sweat, no hassle. So, what matters most to you? Everyday comfort or heart-racing excitement? Drive your choice and make every commute count.
Here's the bottom line. If you crave performance, speed, and a cutting-edge driving experience, a dual-clutch transmission, DCT, is your best bet. Just be prepared for a bit of extra maintenance. However, if you desire reliability, effortless driving, and the peace of mind that comes with long-term durability, then a traditional automatic transmission is the way to go. Ultimately, the right transmission for you hinges on your driving habits, the environments you navigate, and your expectations for your vehicle. Still in doubt about whether to choose DCT or traditional automatic? Don't hesitate to ask your questions in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Curious for more engaging insights into the world of cars. Thank you for watching. Drive smart and make every journey count.